The Hurlers are a collection of 3 stone circles on the edge of Bodmin Moor, near the village of Minions. Why are they there and how were they made? Historians believe the circles were built between 2000 and 3000 years ago by Bronze Age Cornish people to track the seasons. Legend tells a far different and darker tale. Years ago, in the old times, the people of Cornwall liked nothing better than to while away the hours by wrestling or playing the national sport of hurling. Hurling is a team sport, a cross between rugby, bulldog and football. The aim of the game was to get the ball to the opponent's goal, which could be miles away. One summer, the parishes of St Cleer and Lincolnhorn enjoyed their annual hurling match. The game was brutal, played across the moorland around Craddock. Injuries were common and often severe, and as the sun set on Friday, no winner could be named. Teams agreed to return to the game on Saturday. Again, the game was long, lasting from sunrise to sunset, when quite suddenly, one player from St Cleer yelled in triumph. He had reached the Lincolnhorn goal and the game was over. St Cleer had won. As was the custom, the ending of the match was celebrated with a dance. 2 pipers began to play and the players danced together. Around and around they danced. A vicar approached and explained that the festivity should stop lest the dancers be caught dancing on the Sabbath. The ale had been flowing and the spirits were high. The dancers laughed and dismissed the concerns of the vicar. With the moon rising, the dancing became more feverish. The pipers played more loudly and the dancing rings of hurlers moved faster and faster. As the moon reached its zenith in the night sky, the bells of St Cleer Church struck midnight. It was Sunday, the Sabbath. Yet still the dancing continued. Quite suddenly, the moorland became silent. Where there had been music and merriment, there was now only silence and stillness. Where 2 pipers had played, there were now 2 standing stones. Where there had once been 3 rings of dancing hurlers, there were now 3 rings of standing stones at the base of Stowe's Hill. They stand there still. If you visit the village of Minions, you can walk among these petrified dancers. Perhaps, if you hold your hand against a stone, you could feel the faint heartbeat of a hurler trapped in granite.